justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated. You're in the mood for empathy, the blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you all. I told up plenty, champagne, cold nights, curse this name. You called up your friends and your girl didn't many range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Thinking on the mood, yo, with that alarm. Thinking that they go be sorry. They say conversation, the nation, I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs. Yes, I write it down for real. P.S. I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in the dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated. When you're in the mood for empathy, the blood in my pen.
Oh, you see, with normal price. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hi Scrumptious. Hi Scrumptious. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my new subscribers. I hope you guys enjoy being scrumptious, because we're all about being scrumptious this side. And welcome back to my regular subscribers, my scrumptious babes. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. I honestly don't know, hey, but I am wearing a pinnifer. It's so hot. It is gashisa. I just finished cleaning my room. Kopilamba, it's my small yana house. I just finished cleaning and then I need to go take a shower. Today is a Tuesday. It's a Tuesday today. You would have seen from the previous clips that yesterday, it was a Monday, I went to buy like your essentials at Clicks, and then I went to Checkers to buy groceries. And at this point, I think it's so to see it because everything is just expensive, you know? Like, there's no need. Like, there's honestly no need. I don't understand why, when we are the ones that are adults now, we're grown-ups, but it's fine, you know? Life is for the living. And then I went to Woolies today to get some essentials, and I also got myself some flowers because this babe is down bad. But you know what, I'm not gonna lie, that's because I'm a scrumptious hun. I'm still editing the Joburg vlog. I'm probably gonna upload it tomorrow. Yes, I'm gonna upload tomorrow. When I'm done showering, I'm gonna edit because I want to be in my consistency. I want to be in my Zoom chat. I want to be in my Zoom. And then, yeah, anyways, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to like, comment, and share with your friends and your family so everyone can be scrumptious, you know. And again, turn on your notification bell so you can know when the scrumptious babies are up. But yeah.
You gotta be in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's going. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part.
It's the sunrise and those brown eyes, yes. You're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice.
1,000,000 zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
Sunny Bonani. I know I've been a bad vlogger. Yo, Sunny Bonani, guys. Don't mind me wearing a jersey. Yeah, she's to get banned if no. So I'm wearing a jersey. It's what's today? It's Thursday. I know I've been not consistent with the vlogging. I spoke to you guys last week. I'm currently at the mall right now to get a coat for new glasses. Yeah. And then I also want to get some liquid blush and MrPrice, but I will greet you guys properly probably after work.
Is Latoya's lies! Latoya's lies! Yes!
But yeah, and my eyes are not closed, by the way. But yeah, so Kuluma late. Mab. Oh, for Inakushan. I'm not too sure. I don't know which one to get. Is this too pink or what? But like when it's blended, it's gonna look nice. Ooh, this is more rich. Okay, let's try this one. Oh, this is dark. But like anything that is blended. Then what's my saying? He blended like it's blend, contour and yeah, you're right. I think it. What's this one? But I think the liquid one, yeah, save more. You save, yeah, because yeah. Right, the liquid. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my vlog. Whew. I don't even know where to start, guys. I am suffering. Sinus has me. I don't want to say by my balls. Yeah. Like, as you can see from my eyes, like, I am suffering to the core. Hence, when I came back yesterday, I couldn't, guys, take you through what happened when I went for the thing, for my classes, for the new classes and everything. Yeah, because I'm suffering. I'll try. I don't even know whether to upload this vlog or to continue with the vlog because it's just a mess. So anyways, I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys having a fantastic time. Oh, and it's Valentine's today. Let me just say happy Valentine's Day if that man doesn't do anything for you. God, we're in the same boat. But anyways, yeah guys, I hope you feel loved today. Yeah, that's it. That's just that. I will try and gain my strength so I can go back and vlog and be in my Zoom, you know. But more than anything, I just want to say again, I appreciate you guys so much. So much. So much. And I really mean it. So yeah, I guess we're going to continue the vlog. But my only issue is how am I going to continue the vlog, because tomorrow I'm going to a funeral and then guys will be on cutting. What that guess is a one. Stay scrumptious.
Saving you, is the heart of a woman. Yeah. The only thing that's saving you is the heart of a woman.
Hi guys, sinus is not rocking me anymore. I just finished showering and I'm dressed. Please, I'm dressed. I just finished showering. Yeah, how was Valentine's Day? But anyways, I'm feeling my Sanda, so I got these at work. Yeah, they're nice. But yeah, got these. It's the thought. Anyway, I want to tone my face and see what I'm gonna eat. I think I'm gonna have bread. I don't know, so lamb. But yeah, gonna be using this to tone my face. I've been using this toner for years, and when I tell you it's the best. And these cotton pads, it's just that but it's the smooth what edge from Clicks. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, these cotton pads are so soft on your skin. They don't leave any white things or anything like that. Yep. Injalo. Yeah, guys, I hope you guys had a nice Valentine's Day. You know, you were spoiled, you felt loved and all of that. Yeah, so when I'm you know what? I want to say I was really like feeling, I don't want to say sad, but like, yeah, I was sad because I was like, my people are not gonna get a vlog, because I had vlogged last week when I was doing groceries, and then nothing happened. Now corner, I can't vlog at work, you know. I can't go with my phone if no. Yeah. This babe Vaselina is the best. Like, I use Vaselina for my eyes, for my face, for my body, but for my body I use this one. Argan All Babe is literally the best. She's the best. She leaves your skin moisturized and all of that. She's the best. Yeah, as I was saying, I can't go with my phone on the floor, and my days are literally repetitive. It's the same thing, guys. And yeah, hence I was feeling a bit sad that you guys are not gonna get anything, and I don't want to vlog only when I'm going out or when I'm doing something exciting. I also want to show you guys like all the realistic things in my life, you know. As much as it's something that is repetitive, I am learning that, baby girl, take out your camera at all times, vlog that shit up. Language. But yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna try my best. Like, I'm gonna try and vlog all the time, like all the time, even if, but M17 it's not ideal, excuse me. But you know what, I'm a big girl, I'm a scrumptious hand, I'm gonna make it work, period. Oh, where's this thing? And then I've been using this babe for some time now. My friend Upumla said my eyes, they don't, not that my dark circles are gone, but I guess there's a small a difference, you know. I guess and I don't want to apply too much. I don't know if I'm applying small or I should apply like kakhulu. Angazi, but-ke angikwazi uku-apply kakhulu, iyabiza lento. I need to stop looking here and looking. Yeah, look. Anyways, as I'm saying, ukuthi iyabiza lento, angikwazi ukuyisebenzisa ngiyitaqabeze. It can't be, babe. So yeah, that's the gist for the night, guys. I'm gonna make something to eat, or I might just drink water and go sleep, you know. I'm gonna catch up on vlogs. Yeah, a lot of people have posted and uploaded, so I'm gonna catch up on that. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, make something to eat or just not eat, because when extending and then extending I need to do my laundry. I might show you guys that, but I'm not too sure, but I'll try and do that. I hope you guys have a lovely night. I'm a pooping a physic. Stay scrumptious. Scrumptious. I'm back from the beach, guys. Just finished showering and everything. I think it's in pig, but not in the mood for that, so just gonna make burgers again. Yeah, that's it. Last spoke to you guys on Friday. Yeah, went to the funeral yesterday. Yeah, Izolo. Beautiful service for a beautiful babe. Yo, we danced. It was a beautiful send-off. And then I came back, lying Laney, had a couple of drinks. We had a couple of drinks. And then, yeah, that was that. I only did my laundry this morning. Going was 7, ga wash. Yeah. Angkundile, God, I'm not happy with that. Not happy, but you know what? It's fine. I'm rambling. I'm trying to think of things that I left out. So, had planned a Galentine's for me and my girls, but that didn't happen because it was supposed to be yesterday. But izolo kwabanesifo. So, it's no longer gonna be a Galentine's. We're just gonna have a picnic, just a picnic, very soon. And yeah, that's just that. Anything else? No, there's nothing else. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I hope you still love me. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to share with your friends, and also open your notification bell so that you know every time that I'm uploading. Anyways, guys, I just want to say I appreciate you guys once again. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Like, ngiyabonga. Thank you. Yo, thank you so much. And I want to say a huge shout out to my friends, the people that are around me, people from work. Let me not say people from work, but specific people from work that are always just rooting on me and always literally minutes after uploading, where's another vlog? We want another vlog. I really appreciate you guys. Don't stop. Ngizonenzela le apply. But yeah, guys, I hope you have a scrumptious time, scrumptious night, whether you're watching this in the morning or in the evening. I hope you're having a scrumptious time. And as we enter a new week tomorrow, because I'm going to upload this video tomorrow, I hope you guys start your week, yeah, on a good note, you know. I pray that God grants all your wishes that you have for the week. Have a productive week. I pray over your thoughts, guys. Yeah, I pray over your thoughts and your tongue. Let your tongue build and not destroy. But anyways, guys, I hope you stay scrumptious, and I hope you come back to watch another vlog.